Hey people, so we are at this place called Neera Cafe, and this is, you should have taken a look at the kind of line that you can see there. People have all lined up for this. Ayush, can you please not stand there so close to that? It'll hurt your head. That's right. Take a sip and tell us. 50 rupees per glass. It's supposed to be good for health. That is the most amazing thing. Basically, it tastes a lot like coconut water. Yeah, really. So, Neera Cafe, if you were to take a look, it's here. You'd like to have it? Let's see. You have it, Ayush. Let's have a competition. You want to take a sip? Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. So Neera Cafe it is, and it's like a never-ending line. It's a cultivated taste. Basically, it tastes just like ice apples in water form. That's how it tastes like. And I can't get over this particular statue because this is how they are collecting this thing, They say it's just before toddy is made. This is what is collected. So it's quite nice, really. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.